If you're tired of feeling broke, it's time to change that. Here are some easy ways to save money starting today. First up, track your spending. Use a budget app or a trusty notebook to see where your money is going. You'll be surprised at how much those little purchases add up. Next, make a shopping list and stick to it. This simple hack can help you avoid impulse buys and save a ton of cash. Here's a biggie cut down on eating out. Cook at home more often, and you'll save money, eat healthier. Win-win. Got subscriptions? Review them all. Cancel the ones you don't use or switch to cheaper plans. And don't forget to set savings goals. Start small if you need to, but be consistent. Watching your savings grow can be super motivating. Finally, use cashback and rewards programs. They're like free money for things you'd buy anyway. So there you have it. Track your spending, stick to your list, cook at home, review subscriptions, set savings goals, and use rewards. Easy peasy, right? Start saving today and watch your bank account. Thank you, you've got this.